Talk about Kudos Intercloud. Cheaper and greener. In simpler terms, this sounds like a service that lets you rent computing power from individual machines powered by clean energy sources at a competitive price. Democratizing access. Kudos Intercloud is trying to break down barriers to entry in cloud computing by making it available to those who might not have access to traditional financial services. Keep your data. Kudos highlights that using a digital wallet lets you access their cloud computing service while keeping your personal information more private, which is a core principle of Web3. Let me show you the recently added payment methods. Log in using Kepler Wallet. Approve. USDT on both Ethereum and Polygon. Here, USDT. In addition to the USDC payments they already support. So we do have here the USDT on a Polygon and Ethereum networks. So that's all. Stay tuned because I'm sure they will be offering more flexible and convenient payment methods in the future.